Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Healow app for multiple doctors. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add another doctor in your Healow app, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Healow app, and then once you're inside here, tap on get started, then tap on I agree to the terms and conditions on the bottom, then log into your account. Then once logged in, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, then select manage accounts or link another account. Then tap on add a new account, and on the select relationship screen, choose the appropriate relationship, example self, child or spouse, and then tap on save. Then enter your personal details like first name, last name and date of birth, and then tap on continue. And then if you have a practice code, select yes, and if you don't have a practice code, select no, and then search for the practice by providing name and location. Once done, verify the selected practice and tap this is my practice. Then choose a verification method from phone verification or log in with your username. Then once done, agree to the terms and select security pin. And once done, your doctor's account is now linked to your Healow app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.